Hello everyone, I am Zia Ahmed and today I am really honored to say that respectable Professor S.K. Sachdev has joined me for a special session on purchasing. When we talk about purchasing, people generally limit it to issuing or purchasing of purchase orders, which is a big misconception. To know more about this and intricacies, I requested respectable professor to join me in this session, which he accepted graciously. I will first of all start with his brief introduction. Honorable Professor Sachdev is a retired senior professor from Indian Institute of Management, Ghaziabad. He has over 50 years of experience in teaching and conducting trainings for various subjects of management, logistics, supply chain management in reputed institutes and universities of India. He has not left his passion for education and still he's a visiting professor in IMT Ghaziabad. He has written 45 articles in various professional journals. He topped BTech exams from New Delhi University and did postgraduate diploma in industrial management and MBA from Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi University, and scored the top positions. Later, he did diploma in advanced training in industrial management from RVB, Delft, Netherlands, and MTech from IMIT Delhi at almost 49 years of age. This shows his enthusiasm and passion for learning and sharing knowledge with others. The story does not end here. He did certificate courses in export marketing from IIFT New Delhi and shipping management course from Narottam Murarji Institute of Shipping, Bombay. So thank you, sir, once again for joining me here. How are you, sir?
Fine. Everything is going on well. And it is my interaction today with you. And I hope we will be having a nice discussions in regards to subject matter is concerned.
Thank you, sir. And sir, how is the situation?
As you have said about,
yes,
we'll be talking about purchasing. As you mentioned that we'll be talking about purchasing today in detail.
Yes.
In regards to the better understanding of the people are concerned who are going to look into these matters. Let me tell you very frankly.
Yes.
Purchasing is one of the most important aspects in regards to organization working is concerned,
yes,
especially in industry is concerned.
Okay.
Why? Because profit-making potentiality of purchasing is very high.
Yes.
Because material cost varies from 50 to 70% generally.
Yes.
And if the judicious purchase is there, you can save a lot.
Yes.
If in other area you make effort, let's suppose in human resource or in other areas, you may not be able to get much. Let's suppose we say 10% saving is to be done. If material we talk about, then the question arises to that way that material will be able to save 6%.
Yes.
If I say 4% is the cost which I have to incur on HRM, then if I talk of 10% of that, it will be 0.04.
Yes.
So it does make an impact a lot.
Yes.
In the context of that is concerned. And in the context of purchasing, when we talk about an industrial organization, yes, we may have the aspect of purchasing in regards to business items are concerned, that may be very less. But basically, industrial items are important to us.
Yes.
Maybe the aspect of raw material, semi-finished product,
yes,
finished product, maintenance, repair, and operative item,
yes,
and various services items also maybe in the context of computers, etc.
yes,
In addition to that, the capital equipment purchase is very, very high.
Yes.
It may be in the context of you want to, you say, increase your range in regards to product is concerned, or you need to have that more of your factories are to be there, which are to be scattered for different product at each place too.
Yes.
Now, various things are there which can be taken note of that. And for that purpose, you have to have a very judicious purchasing in regards to capital equipment is concerned.
Yes.
Because life is long, a lot of money has gone in that, and technicalities are very many which you have to think about.
Yes.
Not only the aspect of quality production is concerned, or productivity of that is concerned, but maintenance cost of that is concerned, the aspect of safety, reliability.
Yes.
You say there are very many aspects of quality which will be able to impact that. And let me tell you, when I define purchasing, I can say purchasing is the procuring of materials, supplies, machine tools, and services required for equipment, maintenance, and operations of the manufacturing plant. As I mentioned to you, basically the important reason which I can note that first is the higher cost of goods and services are there. You have escalating cost of stockouts in the market.
Yes.
Higher present day cost of capital is there. In addition to that, we have purchase is not merely an act of buying is concerned. Number of things are to be seen in the context of that, and a lot of professionalization of this function has taken place in regards to material function. And now the changing concept of buyer and seller is there because we have moved from as a foreigner to us as a supplier, but today we are thinking of buyer to be partner. Yesterday we were thinking, and today we are thinking of collaborating with him in regards to our strategic decision making is concerned. Yeah. Now, if I take up further in regards to that is concerned, which I say that I have to locate and select the developing qualified sources of supply. I have to scrutinize them in regards to purchase intent and deciding about method of buying is concerned. Yes. I may have to have the float inquiries in regards to quotation, etc. are concerned. Then we have to go for negotiation and defective materials, whichever are there in the context of supplier having supplied to us, we have to return back to him. Okay. Now, pre-delivery follow-up is there. Monitoring is to be done. You have to have the changing aspect, and you have to coordinate with the inward inspection in regards to when the materials are received by us, so that defective materials are returned. Yeah. And the quantity also is getting endorsed to that. Yeah. Now, endorsing supplier invoice for the payment is to be done after checking. Yes. And the payment is to be released as from the account department. So checking is to be done for that purpose also, that everything is all right too. And they may recheck again, but the question is we have to see that everything goes wonderfully well in regards to timely payment is concerned. If you want to incentivize supplier to continue good relation with us, in regards to purchases are concerned, we have to see that regular payments are being made to them. Because money is a resource and which needs to be lubricated, which serves as a lubricating aspect in regards to supplier organization is concerned. Yes. Because he is to have the contact with the supplier also in that regards to that. So we have to see about this aspect to that. Yeah. And we have to see the aspect of disposal of obsolete goods, which are not being used because you have changed the product line, etc. Yes. Purchasing is to do a lot of work in regards to coordination with other departments, especially operations department is concerned. And your operations department is the main department which goes on giving indent to them because they require materials in regards to their aggregate planning is concerned, their material requirement planning is concerned. It is to be coordinated with the stores also, what materials are available, what are not, how much lead time is there. Yes. Then we have to give emphasis in regards to purchasing aspect is concerned. We give 5 R we talk about generally. Right quality, right quantity, right time, right source of supply, and right price is concerned. Yes. When I say right price, generally the concept which used to be there in the market price is concerned, that has been gone away. Yes. When you are a supplier, when you are a buyer of a mass goods, the quantity, you generally go with the aspect of cost. What is the cost of the product? Yes. And you would like to give over and above the money which is good enough as a profit to have that man to run the organization. Yes. Because nobody can run on just to say on flimsy ground the organization. If not today he may take less money from you, but tomorrow he cannot continue to be its source of supply which can be taken to be regular one. Okay. Sir, so these are the various aspects to see.
Yeah. Sir, you said that first of all that with purchasing we can reduce a lot of costs. And then you said that the relationship or the concept of buyer and seller is now changing. People are trying to make them focus more on long-term relations. So people want to increase the level of trust with suppliers. And third point you highlighted that if we will squeeze or we will pull some supplier on some lower prices at the moment, he might not continue with us in the long run. So we have to show a little flexibility here and there. This is your point, sir?
Now, question is, main aspect is when selection of supplier is there.
Yes.
Because when you want to maintain a relation with the supplier, it is to be a real supplier who is able to meet your requirement. in the context of quality,
Yes.
in the context of quantities,
Yes.
in regards to his finances are concerned, in regards to source of supplies are concerned,
Yes.
how reliable they are to him,
Yes.
so that there should be no, you say, abrupt stoppage
Yeah.
in regards to
Abrupt
supply
stoppage.
is concerned.
Yes.
Main aspect is continuity of supply,
Yeah. Continuity of supply.
and as per the orders given by you,
Yeah.
when we are moving fast in the context of jet purchasing is concerned,
Yeah.
when the seamless aspect of storage is there
Yeah.
also in that context of that,
Yeah.
we have to have a reliability.
Yes.
In regards to quality, we can think about that our people, team can go see their system in working. The people are trained or not in quality, because Six Sigma is very important, because
Yes.
defective part cannot go for.
Yes.
Because when thousands of parts go in the making of a, let's suppose, an automobile is concerned, 10,000 parts or 12,000 parts, if one part is not functioning even properly, it can make the vehicle to stop at the way, in the way.
Of course, sir.
And
The industry
that will be a very bad aspect for the driver who is driving the vehicle. Or if you are driving, then you'll say very bad what sort of vehicle it is. It is not reliable, because reliability is a very important dimension of quality, and which is nothing but again and again you use, it doesn't fail.
Yeah.
Then again in the various vehicle when you are producing it, maybe of the same brand, a consistency is dimension is very important.
Okay.
Maintainability is very important. As you may be knowing, in the case of car, when the aspect of maintenance of engine, etc. is concerned, you try to see that whether the maintenance is possible of the engine or not when you design a body.
Yes. Yes.
It cannot be that you just suppose you want to take out the plug,
Yes.
spark plug, and there is no way out for having that.
Yeah.
The tooling aspect is to develop first, basically, in the case of manufacture of vehicles are concerned, or big equipment is concerned in that context of that.
Yeah.
In addition to that, when let's suppose you purchase capital equipment, you have to have the aspect of its maintenance.
Okay.
Scheduling is to be there. Lubrication scheduling needs to be done. People who are trained are not to. Then you have the aspect of laying down the foundation is concerned, whether your people can do or not.
Yes.
And especially in the case of imported machines is concerned, you have to be very, very careful. Because generally, most of developed countries of the world, they want to get rid of the old machines of there, and when new technologies have come.
Yeah.
Because automation is very important for them. Robotics are important for them. So they generally try to go for that way, that the things whichever are being given, they are old one. And when you have the old things with you, those people are not trained in that. Maintenance parts are not being given to that. The life of the machine will go down comparatively when the spare parts are not there. I can give an example in regards to Vajradut planes are concerned in India. When we had it from Germany, about 40 years back, we purchased about over 20 planes, and we were having services of that. But that factory has closed on the production of that. But items were given to us, they were having number of good people with us who could maintain it. Ultimately, when the spare parts were not available, we had to cannibalize that. Make one aeroplane to stop, take out the parts of that, do with those people, do it in regards to their services that concern in that context of that.
Sir, you have pointed out a very good point here, that if we, in purchasing, we don't do a proper research, a proper thing, then what happens that we might end up in purchasing some discontinued products or discontinued capital equipment, machineries, and which will, instead
that
of...
That is generally going to happen. That is generally going to happen. You are importing.
Yes.
When you are importing.
When we are importing.
Then you are importing a plant, aid from that government. Yes, you may not pay money at the time. But later on, raw materials are not available with you.
Yes.
Because the machinery which has been manufactured as per the raw material available there in that country, maybe iron ore.
Yes.
Maybe the aspect of other materials. And when it comes to you, and you have no raw material because it can't process that, your country is having a different type of raw material with a different specification, that cannot help it.
Okay. Okay, sir. In very simple words.
Actually, you will be making more of a problem than making a buy.
Hmm,
So these are various issues which needs to be considered in the context of that is concerned, and
hmm.
you have to be very, very sure about that is concerned that way.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. One more question. In very simple words, if I
Yeah.
want to know, what is the purchasing process or how it starts? In very simple words, how we can explain this?
All right. You want to know about the purchasing process.
Yes, sir.
But before I go for the purchasing process is concerned,
Yeah.
I may say very well, the purchase department works are very, very important, which are to be taken note by us.
Yes.
Generally, whenever an indent comes,
Mhm.
the engineering department gets interacted too.
Yes.
Whether those spare parts can be manufactured by our department or not.
Ah.
I've seen in the case when I was working in Jagajit Cotton Textiles
Mhm.
in Phagwara in Punjab, our chief engineer was wonderfully good.
Mhm.
We used to purchase spare parts from the supplier, from the manufacturer. Ultimately, he started manufacturing himself.
Oh,
So
really?
our order for indenting used to be
Mhm.
with him.
Mhm.
I'm talking about 50 years back.
Yeah, really, really,
Because
really
the
wonderful.
people who was chief engineer of ours,
Mhm.
Mr. Lakshman Singh,
Mhm.
was a wonderfully good man. He
Mhm.
was not that educated.
Mhm.
But as you know, in Punjab, the copying is very, very easy because those people have the brain to copy the things. They
Yeah.
may not go for original.
Yes. Yes.
So he was able to have, and we used to place our order
Mhm.
for purchasing
Mhm.
with him
Mhm.
so that we can indent from our own workshop and get the material regularly with our own people are concerned.
Okay.
Now, in this case, we have to go for material standardization.
Mhm.
That's very important because classification and codification needs to be done. As generally the parts are being purchased on various brand names, and every manufacturer may, in the context of his own uh, equipment, may give a different name to it, but specification is same. So
Yes.
by this aspect of variety reduction, we can have it by standardizing it. So
Yes.
when standardization process is there, standard is nothing but a measure of accomplishment.
Mhm.
And when we make it comparative, we can reduce our inventory number of levels.
Mhm.
Then we can maintain our inventory in regards to ABC categories concerned. We
Yes.
talk about 70, 20, 10. We talk
Mhm.
about in that context of that. And the price we talk in a reverse manner. When we talk of A, which are 10%, price of that may be 70%.
Yes.
When we talk of B, 20%, the price may be 20%. And the C item, which are available commonly by most of the places and the hardware, etc., nuts, bolts, etc.,
Mhm.
you can get hardly, it may be spending 10%, but volume may be talking about 70% in that context. So that is
Yes.
concerned. But along with that, they have to go with the aspect of which items are vital,
Mhm. Yes. Which items are vital? Yes.
which are desirable,
Yeah.
because codification needs to be done.
Yes.
Then again, codification needs to be done on the item which are being imported and exported.
Okay.
Imported, because imported items take long time.
Yes. Yes. Imported items.
Because generally, when you place an order with a foreign country,
Yes.
it takes a lot of time in the regards to lead time is concerned. Whereas locally, the lead time may not be that much too. Then they are available locally in the same town, or they are not available in the same town. They are to be taken from outside. Also is to be seen. Lead time is more important. Safety stock level is more important.
Yes.
Whether the product is being manufactured regularly or not too, because then the requirement will be different as per material requirement planning is concerned.
Yes.
Because you have to see that the stock is not lying idle, because stock is nothing but a money. And 60% of the money of the organization is lying in these stocks.
Yes. Yes.
And if
So
you see the
definitely.
capital is very difficult to have it and very high cost it is. So
Yes.
you have to save on that also.
Yes.
So the purchase department role is very important. They have to go with the aspect of value analysis also of the parts are concerned, so that they can replacement of material is possible or not. Value analysis is a big tool in the context of reduction of price is concerned. You have to compete, you have to be competitive.
Yes.
Otherwise, you have to provide customer value. How come you can have it? In addition to that, we have to see the aspect of cost improvement, what could be done. We have to see the
Yes.
long range planning policy of the purchase department is concerned.
Okay.
And
Long range.
generally, in this case, we always try to go with the aspect of whether our organization is to be centralized purchasing
Yes.
or a decentralized purchasing is to be done depending upon plants around too.
Yes.
Or sometimes we go with the aspect of centralized, decentralized purchasing aspect. This type of organization of purchasing are to work for, and then only the things will move in that fact. Is concerned, which is to come from operations department. The context of that, recognition of need is there.
Yes.
Then description of and specification requirements are there.
Yes.
Then we go with the aspect of price and specification.
Yes.
Then we go with the aspect of availability of material, purchase orders, etc. preparing.
Yes.
Now, in this case, when we have to purchase order, we have to see the supplier.
Yes.
Who is the supplier? Acceptance of that is concerned. And this list is generally made earlier too also. We have to follow up with the supplier.
Yes.
And receiving and inspection of material, as I mentioned, is to be done. Clearing is to be done. Other things are there. Now, let's suppose the purchase order has come to me.
Yes.
I will see firstly that quantity is the regular one or it is a new one. If it's the regular one, suppliers are with me.
Yeah. If it's
specification is there.
Yes.
I have entered in the order rate with him. Maybe the context of blanket is concerned, or maybe for a certain time the same price is to be there in the context of that. Maybe on installment basis, I am taking from him 10,000 every month. You have to give it like that.
Yes.
Now, in that case, once it is known to me, it is a new purchase, then I have to search for supplier. And these suppliers will, may I contact trade journals? May I contact the sales people who are coming to me?
Yes.
Maybe my technical people may be able to tell me these are the people who are able to
and technical people
supply
give very good
parts.
Yes.
Technical help is to be taken, and you go with the external source with the internal source both.
Yes, external source.
Once you have the list, then you call the man. The technical feasibility is to be seen in the context of that. Negotiation needs to be done with him because the new contract is to be entered with him. You may take the help of engineering people or technical people also along with that in regards to whether the things are right or not.
Yes.
If once things have been seen, it's right or not, then the plant is to be visited by technical people.
Yeah.
After the plant visit has been there, they have seen that everything is all right too.
Yeah.
And he can supply us regularly.
Yeah.
He's financially strong. He's having a quality control people with him. Then we may talk about the costing aspect to him in regards to negotiation.
Okay.
But remember, we have to have win-win situation. Never think about any other strategy in regards to negotiation except win-win situation.
Win-win situation.
If you want to
buyer is also happy and we are also happy. Both are happy.
That is very, very pertinent. Otherwise, not.
Yes. Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah. So, sir, in very simple words, if you want to know what are the future challenges for purchasing?
As you know very well, what is the challenge to us? Challenge is in a competitive market, giving more value to customer.
Yes.
When you talk of customer, you have to understand him, what he wants, where he wants, when he wants, why he wants, ultimately money, value of money.
Yeah.
In this case, you have to see how you can cut the cost.
Yes.
And cost cutting is the most important aspect in the total line is concerned of supply chain.
Yes.
Because basically purchasing becomes the part of supply chain.
Yes.
Now, when we talk of supply chain, we are talking about 3 level down below, organization and 3 level up.
Yeah.
So they had to, if you had to cut the price, see the aspect of right quality, quantity, time, cutting time is concerned. Logistics have become also very important in the context of that is concerned these days because logistic cost is going very high. So in this case, the role of purchasing is to not only see the supplier, but down below here they are to see.
Yes.
Supplier. Because ultimately, if the supplier cost is to be cut, what sort of additional costs are being spent by supplier, whether they are right or not?
Yes.
For his supplies.
Yes.
And for the 3rd level of supplies. Similarly, when we talk about supply chain aspect, I take in front customer.
Yeah.
So that way the cost is to be cut. Yeah. In that context too. You have to have the reducing of inventories also. redundancies also, waste also you have to reduce. All these things can be done if everybody work in collaborative form as a strategic decision-making process is concerned. And they make use of technology, which is available these days for interconnection and making the connectivity to be better one. I have seen in the case of Amstel, beer manufacturer about 50 years back, even 45 years back, even when I was in Holland, their all supplies were dependent upon the order which they used to get from various places in the world.
Oh,
They
yes.
150 countries of the world. And they used to get, and they were not maintaining their own godowns, even warehouses. They were maintaining their own. They were having a centralized godowns also in number of countries. The ships used to move from one country to another country. And you know, the product gets bad. Beer gets bad in taste within 3 years, after 3 years period, 3 months period.
Yes.
After 3 months, the beer doesn't get that very taste. All these warehouses, all the shops, etc., how much they have sold, which they have sold. And it used to come. And in the evening, they used to process production planning and control, which is to go there, which is to go here, varieties, raw material, everything used to be done that way. It was 45 years back. Amsterdam is a small town.
Yes.
Amsterdam is a small town in Amsterdam. Basically, Amsterdam name has come from Amsterdam township people, small town.
Okay, sir.
I visited the plant.
Okay.
And I tasted the beer also there. And I was surprised when I saw that it is a wonderfully good one.
Oh, really?
They have been able to save it. They have been, because the point is, item is going to be get obsolete in a way it will not be, it has to be thrown.
Only three months time total. Very short shelf life.
Production planning and control is being on the basis of that. And accordingly, it is having a repercussion on purchasing.
Yes.
Because ultimately, from aggregate planning, I have to draw material requirement planning, the varieties, the products, the categories. And that is only possible if I have everything online in regards to my getting information.
Yeah, information.
Throughout the world you are dealing with.
Yes.
Throughout the world you are dealing with 150 countries of the world.
That's the problem, that you're dealing with a lot of countries.
No, but why did this? Because time has come now.
Yes.
When countries are, you say, having interdependency.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult.
Yes.
But you have to have it because of technology. So in this case, I can say very well, we have to go with the aspect of digital strategy in place.
Digital strategy.
We have to go with the aspect of talent pool to embrace digital technology. We need to have thinking of supply beyond the place. Is the price is concerned now, as I mentioned to you, because price is not to be taken, cost is to be taken. Yes. And win-win philosophy of strategy is to be there in that context of that.
Yes.
And we have to have the risk management pertaining to various unexpected happenings too. Risk management in regards to your reaching as logistics is concerned or not. As you know, in the case of number of items which are being exported are imported by United States to Latin American country, and you have to travel, your trucking is to be about 3,000 kilometers or 4,000 kilometers. In the ways you are passing through certain countries where robbery is there, where looting is there, everything is there, and how to save it. You may have an insurance, but the question is your safety money. Then RFID is to take care of that, where the vehicle has reached.
Yeah, where the vehicle has reached.
These are all technological aspect which is to be. So in this very case, I can say very well, artificial intelligence systems need to be implemented. And now the virtual supply chain aspect has come.
Yeah.
Supplier development has come.
Yeah.
Competitive bidding has come.
Yes.
Strategic supplier alliances are there.
Yeah.
Your whole negotiation strategy needs to be changed.
Oh, yes.
And you have to reorganize your corporate structures also in that context of that.
The bottom line is, you say that we have
when you talk of management,
the whole supply chain strategy.
Yeah.
Bottom line is, sir, that you say that we have to change the whole supply chain. Bottom line is, sir, you say that we need to change the whole supply chain strategy.
No, let's suppose third-party logistics have come. Third-party logistics have come.
Yes, yes.
Specialization has come in that context to that.
Yes.
in logistics also, and
Yes.
the cost aspect is to be cut there even in that
Yes.
context of that.
Hmm.
So this is a very important aspect which have to be taken. These latest trends which have come,
Hmm.
they are enforced. They need to be enforced. I'm not saying that you force it with power,
Yes.
but the question is, if change is required to that.
Yeah.
And if you don't meet the change,
Mhm.
change will kill you. That's the point only.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm really
It's
thankful to you.
change only which kills us. Nobody else is killing us.
Yes. So, sir, I'm really
It's my
thankful to
pleasure.
you.
It's my pleasure.
And I request that if I get some questions from my viewers, I can forward you. And please, I will be thankful if you answer the questions. It's okay with you, sir?
There is no problem, but the question is only connectivity is required.
Okay,
If
sir.
any question is now, even at the moment, I can reply.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, I request you
I
that
can reply.
please, this was a very wonderful and very informative session. I request you that please spare time for one more session, but that I request you on contract management, contract with supplier, that how we enter into contract with a supplier and what are the delicacies of it. It's okay, sir?
There is no difficulty, because basically contract is between two parties, two or more parties even.
Yes.
The basic law of the
So
contract
we
mention
will
is
cover
so
it in
the
our next
parties
session.
must be.
Yes, sir. Because this is very important and I want to cover it in a separate session, because that way we will cover only different sides of contract management then. It's okay, sir, with you?
All right. But nothing is to be done. Nothing is to be done on inventory management.
Sir,
On inventory management.
Sir, we can do it, but inventory management also needs a separate session, I suggest.
All right.
So
because you were talking to me about inventory, so if you want to touch now,
yeah.
Because basically inventory is a big subject itself.
Yes, yes,
There
sir.
are 8
Inventory
types
is
of,
the
you say, 8 or
lifeline of
9
every
types of, you
company.
say, classifications.
Yes, yes. So thank you very much, sir. I'm really
Then
honored.
codex system or system.
I'm really honored that you spared time for me, and I hope that I will come again in contact with you, and we will have not one session but more sessions in the future. So thank you very much, sir. Have a good day.
It's my pleasure. God bless you. Have a nice time.